Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be showing you how to unlock new districts in Subway Surfer City. So first things first is of course go ahead and open the application into your device. And now once you have load up the application, in order for you to unlock new districts, you can just simply go ahead and play as much as you can and complete a lot of missions as you move forward. Now, over here, when you go for the level at the top left corner, as you can see, we should be able to see here multiple options that we would unlock. And as you can see, if we go for a level 13, we will have the Sunrise of Boulevard, which is a new district that will be added into our gameplay when we are playing. And pretty much as we move forward to more levels, we will have other districts as well. And pretty much that's just how you do it. And to increase your level up, you can just simply go for the missions at the bottom left. And of course, just simply do as much as mission as you can. And from here, you could also do the daily missions. As you can see, each one of them have an XP and pretty much upgrading your characters as well. And the boards will help you level up more and just simply play as many as you can and level up in order for you to unlock new district in a Subway Surfers City.